What's up guys, it's Jen. Welcome back to the channel. So I'm in between jobs right now and I don't have enough to show you on this new project I've started to make a full video. So we're gonna do something a little different today. I'm gonna be taking you through my favorite must-have tools in the shop. I plan to do a full shop tour once my shop is set up to where I want it, but we're just not there yet, so that one is gonna have to wait. So when I do my full shop tour, I'll take you through like all my equipment and everything like that. Obviously, I have a couple welders. I run Lincoln. I have a Hypertherm handheld plasma cutter, and I'm supposed to be getting a CNC table pretty soon. So I'll do like a whole new video on just equipment down the road. But today we're gonna do just a few must-have tools. Okay, first things first, an angle grinder. Now these little bad boys here, flap wheels, flap discs, whatever you want to call them, I truly don't think I could do my job without them. I feel like I can speak on this because the entire first year of my apprenticeship was just a lot of goddamn grinding. I welded a little bit, but I was grinding all fucking day on pipe ends and pipe fittings, and I just got really good at using this tool. I don't even know if I'm a good artist. I'm just really good at grinding. I use a 5-inch grinder. Now I've used like pretty much every brand, Makita, DeWalt, Milwaukee. This is Walter. Actually, they sent me their Ironman. You see that? Boom. Grinder. Honestly, I've used all the different brands and I'm pretty hard on my tools, especially grinders, and they all seem to kind of last the same. I would say Makita has like the longest life, most durable, but they're all pretty good. Here you are, EnduroFlex by Walter. These are unreal. They're a little bit expensive, but you can use them until there's nothing left. Even when you run them down a bit, there's still, I save those ones, and then when I want, you know, a little smoother finish or I want to take down less material, I just pull out the old ones that are worn down and I save these for when I'm like really trying to burn down material. So there you go, boom. Next, this isn't a tool, but I found these and I fucking love them. Milwaukee job site earbuds. If you're a welder, you know, like it can be a little bit boring spending all day under your hood alone in your own thoughts. And I listen to a lot of music, but sometimes it's nice to switch it up, listen to a podcast, listen to an audiobook, you know? Get smarter while you're working. These are awesome. I love these. They're job site approved. There's hearing protection and Bluetooth audio. Just trust me, these are worth the money. Next, we got another Milwaukee product. So this is the Milwaukee right angle die grinder. This I just bought this year and I love this thing. These are expensive, it's cordless, but again, like some things are just worth the money and they just make your life so much easier and better. Up until this year, I just had like the regular, I think I had a Makita die grinder, which is great and they do the trick and I still pull that out sometimes. But this thing, like, look at the, you can get like in tight little spots. Like I fucking love this thing. Okay, this thing's, and no cord. I love cordless. It's just annoying when they run out of power and you gotta charge the battery, but this thing, worth it. If you have some extra money, this is your guy. Okay, next. A good hammer. This one I had made by my friend Nick with Old Soldier Toolworks. And actually, Nick, I still owe you a feather. I told him I was gonna trade him because he made me this badass hammer. I actually used a carpenter hammer like up until, I don't know when you made me this, Nick, like a couple years ago. And he messaged me and was like, what kind of hammer are you using for your stuff? And he felt so bad that he made me this one. So yeah, find yourself a good hammer. It will make your life so much easier. I also rock one of these bad boys. This is super handy too, just for like pounding in like tight little spots. Pounding in tight little spots. That was not intended to be dirty. Next, a good pair of pliers, which is something that I don't have right now. As you can see, I'm really hard on my tools and I actually need a new pair of pliers, but these are great. You want something that you can pick up tiny little pieces, hold them there so you can tack them in. I'm gonna go pick up a new pair today. Like the only thing that I do want to upgrade is just some more die grinder bits, like a 2-inch sander, different little things, just, you know, can make it easier. But like for Donald Trump's face, honestly, I have a die grinder and an angle grinder, and that's what I use to sculpt the entire thing. So, you know, you don't need a lot. Just went looking around my shop, like, is there anything else that's really important? Honestly, no. When I first started out, I had a little welding table that I made with my brother. I had a vise. You need a vise, a hammer, and an angle grinder, a welder, of course. Like, I had 5 things. The first sheep show piece I did, I made that with like 5 tools. So I just really want to press that you don't need the fanciest stuff to just get started. I definitely didn't have that, and I still kind of prefer just like simple tools because it's what I know. And if you just get good at using the tools that you have, I'm certain that you can accomplish most things. Guys, is start small. Get like your basic tools and just keep expanding. As you grow, you will accumulate more and more tools, and soon you'll have a whole shop to set up. Thank you for listening. Now, if you're in this business and you have like some favorite tools, let me know in the comments below. We can all learn from each other here, okay? That's all I got for today. Thank you guys for listening, and we'll catch you on the next one. What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Hey, what's up, guys? What's up, guys? Is this a good welding cap, some coveralls, good work boots, and a welding helmet, and a shop. No, I'm just kidding. Welding table, welding gas, all the consumables, probably a few grinders. I have 2 big vices, lamps, plasma cutter. There's really not a lot you need. I don't look at those. Yeah, it's recording. Okay, we're done.